What is the name of your new toy?
Magic.
Magic, magic. Okay. What are your materials for your new toy? Yes.
Powder.
Powder. What is this?
Jelly color.
Jelly color. What is it?
Oh.
Okay, let's look at your mold. Wow, we have... What is this mold? Bear. What is this mold?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And then you have... What is this?
Water.
Water. Okay, what are we going to do first?
Put powder in the water.
Okay, can you do it? Oh, like that. And then?
We have to stir.
Okay, stir. Like that.
And put in the mold.
Okay, can you do it? Okay, go.
Yeah, look.
Can I help you? Okay. Pwede na. Okay, enough.
See? Put it in the water.
Okay, I will help you look. Slowly. And we are going to wait for it to float. Oops. Is it floating? Oops. Oops. Ooh. Wait a minute. Let me help you. Wow. Okay. This is the strawberry. Pwede na ka? Then?
And put in the water.
Okay. Ooh, slowly. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Slowly, we waited. This one.
It's better.
It's bear.
It's all the berry now.
You see? Okay. What is this one?
Yeah.
What is this? Strawberry.
Papa,
And the other one is?
baby.
It's bear. It's your bear. Okay. Alright. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.